Hello everyone, I am Elina Banerjee. I am currently pursuing my MBBS degree from Murshidabad Medical College and Hospital. I was a student of Assembly of Angels Secondary School for a long 13 years of my life, from lower nursery up till class 10. It has been a wonderful journey throughout. I cherish each and every moment of my school life. This school has really helped me a lot to become who I am today. Apart from subjective knowledge, this school gives importance to our physical as well as our social development. It aims in taking out the best in every student. The faculties here is a godsend as they act like our second parents and make the school our second home. Each and every faculty puts in a lot of efforts for the betterment of each individual student. The positive atmosphere in our school and the positive aura which we get from our faculties inspires us to study harder. I remember throughout the year we used to have drawing competitions, recitations, Hindi, Bengali, English, elocutions, quizzes and a lot more. The quality of education this school delivers is wonderful and the way the faculties teach is amazing. This school also believes in doing a lot of social and charity work. When we were students, we used to donate our old clothes to the needy and the underprivileged children. This school has really helped in building our character which we are carrying forward. I have always loved attending school, always. I still feel nostalgic whenever I think about my school. I am grateful to my school for being a pillar of strength in my life. Everything that I learned there will always be in my mind and my heart forever. I'm proud to be a student of Assembly of Angels Secondary School. Thank you.